Welcome back, everybody. It's Mark. We're going to do another giveaway. All right, I caught a fish the other day. You guys are going to guess the weight in pounds and ounces, and the tiebreaker will be in inches. You got to guess the inches of the fish exact to win that tiebreaker if need be. The winner's going to get one of these white Googan popping frogs and a Mike Bucca bull shad. Good luck. There's about 25 bucks worth of stuff right there. In order to win, please like, comment, and subscribe in this video. I'm going to announce the winner tomorrow night at 8 p.m. Good luck. Yes, sir. That's a big one. You guys, that's a real big one. All right, we're gonna weigh it. We're gonna weigh this bass. Whoever gets the closest weight in pounds and ounces is gonna win a nice prize. Wow. We're gonna go ahead and measure, and then I'm gonna put her back. Great fish. Go get bigger. Hell yeah, let's go home. Thanks again for watching. And again, like, comment, and subscribe in this video. Good luck in your guesses. I'll see you guys tomorrow night at 8 o'clock. Have a great day. Take it easy.